In this video, we're going to discuss our second lesson for chapter 2. Chapter 2 talks about the rational algebraic expression, or also known as algebraic fractions. So in lesson 1, we tried to simplify algebraic fractions, and in lesson 2, we'll be using that simplification and extend it to addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. So we have here our example number 1. We have 2 over 3a minus 3 over 5a squared. So what we do first, since these are dissimilar fractions, when we say dissimilar fractions, fractions with different denominators, so let's try to make it into similar fractions, make them into similar fractions. And how do we do that? By finding the LCD first of the denominators. So we have 3 and 5, the LCD of 3 and 5, that's 15. Between a and a square, the LCD is the greater exponent, so a square. Then let's take a look at here. From 3a, it becomes 15a square. So it's like 3a is being multiplied by 5a. Okay? So since 3a is being multiplied by 5a to make it into 15a square, we will multiply this by 5a. So that's 2 times 5a. From 5a square, the new denominator becomes 15a square. So it's like 5a square is being multiplied by 3. We will also multiply this by 3. So in turn, they have 3 times 3. Okay? So in this case, we are now ready to combine or subtract them because they are now similar fractions with both denominators as 15a square and 15a square. So this becomes 15a square. If we're going to simplify this, that is 10a. Then 3 and 3, that's minus 9. So since 10a minus 9, nothing can do about it. It's not anymore factorable. Therefore, this is our final answer. Number 2. In number 2, the same so, we have 2 and 3, our LCD is 6. Then x squared and x cubed, we get the higher exponent as our LCD. Okay. Then from 2 to 6x cubed, it's multiplied by, that is 3x, okay, times 3x. Meaning we will also multiply this by 3x. So we say 3x times x plus 1. From 3x cubed to 6x cubed, it's like it's being multiplied by 2. We will also multiply this by 2. So the result is that if we're going to make it as 1, subtract them, 6x cubed, simplify this portion, that gives us 3x squared. Okay, plus 3x, and 2 times 2 is minus 4. Nothing can do about it. 3x squared plus 3x minus 4. This is our final answer for this. Number 3. In number 3, if there's a need to factorize the denominator, we factorize the denominator. Okay? So let's try to factorize. Since x plus 2 cannot be factored further, we copy them. But notice that 2x plus 4 can be factored as 2 times x plus 2. So in this case, our LCD is we take out first the common, which is x plus 2. Okay? So we take out the common as our one of our LCD. Then we have a remaining of 2, so we copy 2. So if there are more than one remaining factors in the denominator, we copy all of them. Okay? So we copy first the common between these 2, and that is x plus 2. Then whatever remaining, we copy them. Meaning our LCD is 2 times x plus 2. So from here, notice that from here, it's like x plus 2 is being multiplied by 2. We will also multiply this by 2. So it becomes 2 times 2x. From here, nothing happens. It's just the 2x plus 2 is just being copied. So we will also copy 3. And we are now ready to make it as one fraction. Simplify. So we have this one is 4x. And we have minus 3. Nothing can do about it. So 4x minus 3 is our final answer. Number 4. Let's investigate if we can furtherly factor the denominator. So you can see x squared minus 1 can be factored as x minus 1, x plus 1. And 2x minus 2 can be factored as 2 times x minus 1. And again, our LCD is we take out the common, which is x minus 1. We copy what's remaining. We have a remaining of x plus 1. Then we have also 2. Then from here, notice that x minus 1, x plus 1 is like multiplied by 2. We will also multiply this by 2. Becomes 2x. From here, it's like 2x minus 1 is being multiplied by x plus 1. So we will multiply this by x plus 1. Then we are ready to make it into as a single fraction. This is 2x. Since this is minus and we are trying to simplify this 3x and x plus 1, we will enclose that one with parentheses. So this gives us 3x squared. Okay. Plus 3x. Then we distribute the negative sign because the succeeding terms is a binomial, more than one term. So we have two x minus 3x squared minus 3x all over 2 times x minus 1 x plus 1. So this one, let's bring it here, is equals to we can combine 2x and negative 3x. That gives us negative x. Then we have 3x squared all over notice that we can still factor the above by factoring out the negative. Okay, the negative, so we can factor it further into negative because the x is negative and 3x squared is negative, so this becomes 3x squared plus 1 plus x rather, all over 2 times x minus 1 x plus 1. So since they are both negative, we factor out the negative. Number 5. So in number 5, let's try to factor. This can be factored as y plus 2 square. To make it not confusing, let's write it as y plus 2 times y plus 2. Then this one can be written as y plus 2, y plus 5. Then we get our LCD. Our LCD, we take out the common. Then the remaining, y plus 2. Then there's one more remaining, which is y plus 5. Okay. So from here, it's like it's being multiplied by y plus 5. That makes us, we will also multiply this as by y plus 5. So we have okay. From here, it's like it's being multiplied by y plus 2. We will also multiply this by y plus 2. Then, since this is plus, we can just make it as one fraction. So we have y. So since y plus 2 squared in our final answer, we can just say y plus 2 squared then times y plus 5, or y plus 5 then y plus 2 squared. Okay. So let's try to combine this. We have y squared. We have y. We have 5y. Okay. Then we have 5. There's nothing to worry because it's plus. And we have 2y squared. We have 4y. And we have negative y. And we have negative 2. Okay. Combining all those common, I think we just need to write it here. Okay. Okay. Combining all those the same terms, we'll have y squared and 2y squared. That will give us 3y squared. Notice that this becomes 6y, then plus another 4y, that becomes 10y, then minus y. So from 6y plus 4y, that's 10y, then minus y, that becomes 9y. Okay. Plus, not minus. Okay. And we have 5 and 2, that is minus 2, that's 3, plus 3. Okay. Then below is y plus 5, y plus 2 squared. Notice that 3y squared plus 9y plus 3 can still be factored into 3 times y squared plus 3y plus 1. So you factor it as much as possible. So we have y plus 5, y plus 2 squared. This is our final answer.